My child, someone really thought they could take something that is yours. Someone who thought no one was seeing what they were doing. But God says every secret act will be shown one day. Now that day has come. Stay with me until the end, because what I'm about to say will shock you. Pay close attention, because last night, in the quiet, their name was put in the book of justice. This person touched things that weren't theirs and went into places they shouldn't have. They took what was yours, your peace and your legacy. But God says that we no longer need to hide it. The sky has let out a warning, and angels have made a fire circle around their name. My child, don't skip ahead, because this is happening right now. The storm that was lurking on the edges is finally here. This time, the thunder is really going to hit right at the heart of their betrayal. It's not just about what they took, it's all about who they decided to go after. Hey, you, the one person they thought would never find out about their lies. But they didn't notice that every sneaky move they made was being carefully watched from the very beginning. Their arrogance really did them in, didn't it? Those smirks hiding behind their fake smiles, offering just a hint of support while they were actually digging into what was rightfully yours. But you know, even shadows have to give in to the light eventually. And that light is finally here, shining on every little detail that was once hidden. They wove a bunch of lies to cover their tracks, creating stories to plant seeds of doubt in your mind. But you know, the truth can really pack a punch, and it's really starting to take hold now. They forged, signed, manipulated, and moved things around in your name, your property, your identity, your finances, and something much more personal, something they really had no right to mess with. But in their endless desire for more, they crossed a sacred line. And for their quiet wrongdoings, there's no forgiveness. A silent alarm had gone off, not with sirens and flashing lights, but thanks to a higher authority. When divine justice comes into play, you can bet there will be some earthly consequences. It's definitely their time, and you can almost picture the handcuffs being put on already. They tried to wipe your name off something that truly belonged to you. They got into accounts, picked locks, and rummaged through private info, behaving like you wouldn't catch on, like the universe wouldn't eventually set things right for their misdeeds. But now, those files and keys are the undeniable proof that will catch them for sure. And here's the really spooky part. They managed to do everything with a smile on their faces, sitting right across from you, throwing out phrases like, "I've got your back," all while quietly tearing down the very foundation you stand on. But the base you were built on is spiritual. They might be able to steal documents, but they can't take away your destiny. So, a name has come up. Your name isn't just in a courtroom, it's in a heavenly record, watched over and safeguarded. Right now, divine justice is putting your name exactly where it should be, at the top, free from any betrayal holding you back. The person behind your attempted erasure is now being gradually taken out of the roles they cleverly controlled. People are going through their actions step by step. Guess what? I've been called in for an interview. A call has been made, not just to any officer, but to a higher power that keeps things under wraps. No need to do anything at all. No need to worry about revenge. What's on the way is way better than anything you could imagine. Hey, it looks like someone took a look at the footage. It looks like someone has flagged the transaction. It looks like someone has checked the signature and confirmed it. The timestamp clearly shows one thing. It wasn't your fault. It was those guys. So, it looks like the evidence is being carefully collected behind the scenes, just waiting for the big reveal. They really enjoyed what they thought was their escape. In the end, truth always comes out on top. Their confidence is fading, and you can see the cold sweat forming because, deep down, they always knew you weren't someone to mess with. They just overlooked how powerful silence can be, especially when backed by divine protection. They're stepping right into a trap they've set up themselves, and it's pretty well thought out. Every lie they tell is pulling them in deeper. We're carefully digging into every deleted message to bring them back. It looks like everyone they tried to manipulate is now standing up to them, and the clock is counting down. We're running out of time. It seems like you were meant to get something, but it got held up for a bit. But this delay doesn't mean a no. It was the collection of undeniable evidence. It hasn't gotten to you yet because it ended up in the wrong hands. But now those hands are being pulled away against their will. They really went all out, faking documents, changing passwords, pretending to be you, and even using your credentials in ways you wouldn't believe. So, it looks like the system is turning things around, and their digital footprint is pretty much everywhere in the crime scene. You'll be hearing about it soon. It's just a message, a letter, or maybe a little announcement. It's going to really shake things up for you because justice, that's been a long time coming and is meant to happen, is finally here, and there's no way to stop it now. What they took was definitely not small potatoes. It might be land, an inheritance, or maybe something you thought was lost for good. But it wasn't gone. It was tucked away, and now the spotlight's on, shining right at them. They really didn't see the quiet strength that watches, that takes note, that speaks up without making a noise. And when that moment comes, silence will turn into the most powerful shout of truth. Just stay calm, stay quiet, God says. Don't look away because what's being revealed is more significant than you realized. This person, who used to stride confidently like they owned the world, is now shaking when confronted with reality. The hand of heaven is pulling back the curtain on their hidden spots, bringing every secret out into the light. Stick around because you're about to witness just how strongly heaven has your back. My dear child, this isn't just about getting out there. It's all about exchanging ideas. God says, what they took will come back to you, but it won't come back in the same way. It's going to come back to you, all packed in tight, overflowing, and multiplied way beyond what you lost. Their downfall is your opportunity to shine. Their quietness is what leads you to your big moment. The tables have turned, and now the story is in a whole new hands. It's like God is writing it himself. Remember those times when you felt like nobody noticed you? It's those moments when you feel like no one is listening and you start to question if justice will ever show up. Those times have passed. God says, I've counted every step. I've kept track of every tear and noted every injustice. So, the verdict has been announced in heaven's court, and there's no way to change it now. This person's act is over, and now it's your turn to shine. Stick around until the end because this chapter is packed with glory. My dear child, while their name is being tossed around, yours is getting a boost. While their doors are shutting, yours are swinging wide open. As their influence starts to wane, your light is shining through. God says, don't worry about what you hear. Every report, every headline, every whisper is just a reminder that heaven is working for you. You don't need to worry about fighting because the battle is already won, and the angels are looking out for your destiny right now. Hey, you really don't want to miss this moment because the divine exchange is happening fast. God's got a way of turning things around, right? The stuff they thought would bring you down is actually what's lifting you up. The same voices that questioned you will soon be amazed. The very eyes that laughed at you will be there to see you soar. This person's story doesn't end with their arrest. It's the start of your journey. Heaven is saying, my child, your name is being redeemed, your inheritance is coming back to you, and your joy is just getting bigger and bigger. Just hang out here for a bit. Stick around until the very end. This is definitely a story you won't forget. God says, I'm writing your life into the book of victory. I'm giving respect to something that was once looked down upon. I'm sharing some songs that really brought out the tears. This is the moment everything changes. This is the moment that heaven has been getting ready for. This is the sign that what's truly yours will never be tainted by deceit again. My dear child, please don't wander off just yet. The river of revelation keeps on flowing, and what's coming next is sure to amaze you. It seems like there's a message here about consequences for those who overstep their boundaries. The idea of truth catching up with someone is pretty powerful, right? Every little move is being watched. Every little lie is coming to light. Every stolen piece is coming to light. This is the moment when it feels like heaven shows us that nothing can hide from the Almighty's gaze. Stick around because the story is just getting started, and your spirit needs to tune in, my dear. I know you've been waiting for some answers, and guess what? They're coming your way fast, just like a big wave. God says, I haven't forgotten. I didn't hold things up. I was getting ready for the perfect moment. Well, here we are. The moment has finally arrived. The one who used to find humor in your struggles isn't laughing anymore. The person who thought they were invincible is now feeling a bit unsteady. The skies have made their voice heard, and the ground has to yield. Their downfall didn't just happen by chance. It's all about the perfect timing, and you're the one picked to experience it. Hey, just so you know, it's not just about exposing them. It's also about lifting you up. God says, I'm flipping the script. Where you used to be in the shadows, you'll now be in the light. Your quiet moments will turn into powerful echoes, just like thunder. Every tear you've shed is turning into the energy you need to rise up. Stick around until the end, because what I'm creating in you is way more powerful than anything that was taken from you. The same crowd that overlooked you will eventually stop and notice your shine. This moment feels like a change in the seasons, a chance to let go of what weighs us down, and a shift in what's meant to be. Don't miss out, because heaven is still showing us the way. God says, the person who betrayed you will see all the blessings that come your way. The person who took from you will witness what I bring back to you, and it will be even greater. This person's arrest means your time in captivity is finally coming to an end. Their fall signals your freedom. My dear child, stick around until the very end, because you're about to dive into the chapter that was promised from the start. Hey, just so you know, this isn't the end of your story. It's like the start of your crown. God says, I'm sealing you with glory. I'm wrapping you up in strength. I'm giving you something that no thief can ever steal away again. Hey, stick with me, because this is the moment when everything changes for the better, and your future is going to be even brighter than you can dream. The blessing you thought you lost is going to come back to you, and it'll be even better than before. The future you thought was on hold is going to come together quicker than you imagined. We're not in a waiting season right now. It's a time for winning. I hope you hold this close to your heart. Your destiny can't be erased by any betrayal. Your blessings can't be taken away by any theft. Your light can't be dimmed by any shadow. God says, I'm raising you up above the grasp of your enemies. I'm giving you a favor that no one can take away. I'm crafting your story in a way that no falsehood can change it. Stick around until the last word of the pain story wraps up and the promise story kicks off. Just wait and see what's coming next. It's going to catch everyone off guard, and trust me, it'll surprise you too. My dear child, just hang out for a bit because heaven is still revealing some amazing truths that we've never seen before. God says, what you're witnessing isn't just a fall. It's a shift in power, a transfer of destiny, and a release of what was held back. The person who thought they could just stroll away after taking what was yours is now facing the courts of heaven. Their name is wobbling, their foundation is falling apart, and their time has come to an end. I saw my dear child as they plotted away. I caught their whispers. I noticed them trying to hide what they did. They thought that when people were quiet, it was like God was quiet too. But God says, my silence wasn't a sign of weakness. It was all about wisdom. I was just watching. I was just recording. I was getting ready. Well, it looks like the time for getting ready is over. We're starting the exposure time now. Their actions are really speaking volumes about them. Their shadows are telling a story, and their hands are bare in front of the world. Stick around until the end because the story is just starting to swing in your direction. Pay attention for a sec. Their ending marks the start of your journey. Their quietness is what you hear. Their fall is your climb. God says, I'll show how strong you are by using their collapse as proof. I'll turn their shame into the backdrop for your glory. I'm going to take their ending and turn it into the prophecy for your new chapter. The same spot where they made fun of you is the one where you'll be celebrated. The same place where you shed tears is the place where you'll find your victory. My dear child, you might have felt like those years were just lost, but trust me, I was saving them up for something special. You might have felt like your prayers weren't being heard, but I was actually working on the solution all along. You might have felt all alone, but I've got your back with a whole bunch of angels around you. God mentions that their arrest isn't just about punishment. Just wanted to share that heaven's got your back. It's a sign that what they touched is coming back. Your inheritance is safe, your destiny is unstoppable, and your tomorrow is secured. That's the proof right there. Stay playful, because the journey is still happening.